Hello girls, I'm Dr. Surangna and I welcome you to the first episode of Women Health series by Lifestyle Speaks. My channel Lifestyle Speaks basically focuses on healthy living and how we can enhance our lives and make it better. And keeping that in mind, I have started and designed this series which mainly focuses on the health of all women. Because we women basically represent the backbone of our overall family health, and we face so many health issues which are different from men and some of which we are not even aware of. And these issues need to be addressed and improved for our own emotional and physical well-being. हम लड़कियां या हम औरतें अपने हेल्थ को थोड़ा कम महत्व देती हैं. And that is why it is very important that we increase awareness and support each other so that हम भी खुश रहें और फिट रहें. तो बने रहिए मेरे साथ ये जानने के लिए हम क्या और कैसे अपने हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, और हर हफ्ते ज़रूर वुमेन हेल्थ सीरीज देखिए मेरे चैनल पर. So stay tuned to Women Health series every week on my channel where we can freely discuss our issues without feeling uncomfortable and also start our health journey together. And so let's begin. A women's health and its importance cannot be stressed enough. Good health should be a very top priority for all of us, but the major obstacle that we all women face is lack of time because of our busy lives which have become busier than before. हम लेडीज़ पे हमेशा बहुत जिम्मेदारियाँ रही हैं और जो बढ़ ही रही हैं क्योंकि हम घर के साथ साथ बाहर का काम भी देखते हैं. और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि हम अपने हेल्थ को बहुत कम प्रायोरिटी देते हैं. Focusing on a healthy lifestyle and staying fit is very low in our priority list, and it somewhere gets left behind in the chaos of our daily life. We women face many unique health issues, and they are just increasing in the recent times because of many lifestyle changes, and we are also prone to many different chronic diseases as compared to men. This strongly highlights that it is high time that we start thinking about our health and giving it more importance. हमें अपने health को बहुत important देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Also, we women face many social issues which also affects our health somewhere, and that is why women health is of urgent priority. तो अब ये हमारे हाथ में है कि हम अपने हेल्थ को कैसे अच्छे तरीके से संभालते हैं विद परफेक्शन, जैसे हम अपने बाकी सारे काम करते हैं. Now we all know that exercise and healthy eating is very important for a good health and overall well-being. But another thing which is very important for all of us women are going for annual health checkups या फुल बॉडी चेकअप, जैसे हम डिजीज से बचे रहें. We will stay disease free because an early detection will help us to cure any condition faster and in a better manner. After annual health checkup या full body checkup के बाद जो दूसरी बात आती है, the second thing is that whenever we talk about women's health, we women face so many health issues which are specific to us women of which we are unaware of. और इनके बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है जैसे हम अपना बेहतर ख्याल और ध्यान रख सकें. Being aware of these conditions and what causes them in the first place can help us prevent them in a better manner. So in today's video, I'll be talking about these health issues which are faced by us women of which we need to be aware of. ये कौन सी health issues हैं जो हम ladies face करती हैं जिनके बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. The first is, ये सबसे पहला है heart disease. हम ladies में से काफ़ी लोग ये नहीं जानते और we women are not aware of the fact that women are more prone to heart diseases as compared to men, and it's the leading cause of death in us women. And this is because of excessive stress and because of excessive workload. But ये manage किया जा सकता है. This can be managed by proper stress management and physical activity. Physical activity is very important. बहुत ज़रूरी है physical activity. रोज़ाना हमारे शेड्यूल से 30 मिनट्स निकालना, टेकिंग आउट ओनली 30 मिनट्स फ्रॉम आवर डेली रूटीन कैन हेल्प अस स्टे फिट एंड स्ट्रेस फ्री एंड प्रिवेंट एंड रिड्यूस चांसेस ऑफ हार्ट डिजीजेस. द सेकेंड मेजर हेल्थ इशू या दूसरा हेल्थ इशू है ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. Breast cancer is the most common form or the most aggressive form of cancer which affects the female population. And it is very important for all of us women to be aware about this disease so that it can be detected at an early stage. It is very important that we are aware of the risk factors and symptoms of this cancer for early detection and diagnosis. क्योंकि एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो अगर सही समय पर पता चल गया तो इसका इलाज थोड़ा आसानी से हो सकता है. और दूसरी चीज़ बहुत जो ज़रूरी है वो ये है कि हम लेडीज़ को रूटीन मेमोग्राम्स के लिए जाना चाहिए. we women should go for routine mammograms mainly after the age of 30 years for better prevention and treatment of this cancer. The third health issue or the तीसरी health issue है that is cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is another form of cancer which is very common in us women and where abnormal cells start to develop in the lining of our cervix in an uncontrolled manner. And if it is not detected at an early stage, it can become fatal. This cancer is caused by the human papilloma virus, and for the early detection of this cancer, routine pap smear tests are very important for us women. हम ladies को हर साल एक बार पैप स्मीयर टेस्ट ज़रूर कराना चाहिए और इस बात को we can not take it lightly at all because ये बीमारी बहुत जल्दी फैलती है और लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग भी बन जाती है. The fourth health issue या जो चौथी health issue है that is gynecological health. This is so important. If ever we face any unusual symptoms during our menstrual cycle or between it, this can indicate certain health issues about which we should consult a doctor, otherwise it can contribute to serious complications later. And this is something we do not need to feel shy or uncomfortable about. हमें बिल्कुल भी शर्माने की कोई बात नहीं है क्योंकि ये हमारे हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important for our health. The fifth health issue या जो पांचवी health issue है that is osteoporosis. Women are more prone to osteoporosis than men, mainly after the age of 50 years, which weakens their bones. And the risk factors for osteoporosis are genetics, lack of physical activity, smoking and alcohol use. And to prevent osteoporosis, it is very important that we adopt healthy lifestyle choices and we are completely aware about this condition. The sixth health issue और जो छठी health issue है that is depression and anxiety. हम ladies में hormonal imbalances बहुत होते हैं. We women face many normal hormone fluctuations which can contribute to depression and anxiety in us. PMS or premenstrual syndrome is faced by all of us women. हम सभी को होता है. That can lead to intense symptoms of anxiety. Women also suffer from postpartum depression and menopause, which can create stronger emotional symptoms of anxiety and tiredness. So it is very important that we are aware about all these conditions so that when we experience them, we know that something is not right with us. And whenever we feel that something is not right with us, we should surely share our feelings and consult with someone. Because ऐसी बातें हमें अपने तक नहीं रखनी चाहिए. They will only spoil our health more. Another health issue जो हम ladies आजकल face करती हैं और we women face these days is PCOS or PCOD, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disease. In the recent times, PCOS or PCOD, which is a lifestyle disorder, has become very common in women that affects their ovaries and leads to the formation of follicles and cysts in the ovaries. And this contributes to irregular periods and the formation of male hormones in the body, leading to excessive body and facial hair. It also leads to insulin resistance and it can contribute to fertility problems. PCOS or PCOD cannot be treated, but if detected, a balanced and healthy diet and losing weight can be very beneficial to reduce its symptoms. ये सारी health issues जिनके बारे में मैंने बात की है, इनसे बचने के लिए इनके बारे में aware होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. It is very important that we are aware of all these health issues so that we can fight and prevent them efficiently. And about these health issues along with many other social issues I'll be discussing in more detail in my Women's Health series, and together we can do it. So stay healthy, stay happy, and thank you so much for being part of this healthy journey. I'll be talking in more detail about women's health and women's health issues in my future videos. But if you have any specific questions or requests, you can let me know in the comment section below, or you can DM me on my Facebook page or Instagram page. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay connected and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.